Okay, good morning. Today we do one more problem on trigonometry. Here, a statue stands on the top of a 2-meter tall pedestal. Let us we take this as a ground and this as a pedestal. This we take it as a pedestal, and the height it is given, it is 2 meters. A statue stands on the top of a 2-meter tall pedestal. This is a 2 meter tall pedestal. On this, we take this as a statue stands on the top of this. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue. This is the point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue. Top of the statue means this point we need to take. The angle of elevation, it is given 60 degrees. So this will be 60 degrees. And from the same point, that means from here only, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal. Top of the pedestal means this point we need to take. The angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. That is, this will be 45 degrees. And this is 60 degrees. This will be 60. He is asking to find the height of the statue. The height of the statue, let us we take this as a h. From this point to this point. He is asking what is the height. Now here we got two combinations. One is when we take a triangle ABD, if this is a 90 and this is 60, this will be 30 degrees. So we got one combination here in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, (30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. This is a 30. Observe the triangle carefully, all of you. In triangle ABD, this is 30 degrees, this will be 60 and this will be 90. So 30, 60 and 90, the ratio I already told you in a previous video class, we have to take it as a 1:√3:2. 1:√3:2. Now in triangle ABC, when this is a 45 degrees, this is 90, then this will become 45. So we got in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, 45 degrees, 45 degrees and 90 degrees. So when we get 45, 45 and 90, we need to take the ratio 1:1:√2. Remember, when we get 30, 60, 90, 1:√3:2. When it is a 45, 45, 90, we need to take 1:1:√2. So in triangle ABC, so angle, the side opposite to 45 degrees is BC. BC is given 2 meters. So this will be 2 meters. This is also 2 meters. And this will be 2 into √2, 2 √2 meters. Is it clear, all of you? So what is, this is also 45, the side opposite to 45, then AB will be 2 meters. So from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation from the point on the ground, from the foot of the pedestal is equal to how much? This is equal to 2 meters. Is it clear now? Now we take in triangle ABD, this is 30 degrees, the side opposite to 30 is equal to 2. So here we take, this is 2 meters, this is 2 √3 meters, and this is equal to 2 twos are 4 meters. Is it clear all of you? For 30 means in triangle ABD we are taking. In this triangle, in triangle ABD, the side opposite to 30 degrees is AB, so it is 2. So here we write one part is equal to 2 meters. Root 3 means 2 into root 3, 2 root 3 meters, 2 into 2, this is 4 meters. So what is the total height we got now? This total height we got is equal to how much? 2 root 3 meters. Now he is asking him to find the h. Therefore h is equal to, that is find the height of the statue. Therefore height of the statue is equal to 2 root 3, that is BD minus BC. BD minus BC. Is it clear all of you? What is a BD? BD is equal to 2 root 3 minus BC is equal to 2. If you take a 2 common here, we get a root 3 minus 1. That is a 2 into root 3 value is 1.732 minus 1. That is a 2 into 1.732 minus 1 is 0.732. So that is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, here we get 1. So 1.464 meters. This is what? This is the height of the, find the height of the statue. Therefore the height of the statue is equal to what? The height of the statue is equal to 1.464 meters. Is it clear all of you? When we get the combination of these 30, 60, 90, 45, 45 and 90, without solving we can easily find out any side, we can find out AC also. For if you take in triangle ABC, the AC will be what? The AC will be 2 root 2 meters. In triangle ABD, if you want to find AD for 90, this will you get 4 meters. So like this we can solve these problems, any kind of problems based on 30, 60, 90, 45, 45 and 90 without calculating. This will save your time when you go for competitive exams. I hope all of you followed. Please subscribe the channel, like it and give the notification bell and share it to your friends and have a look. My next video we will start the new chapter that is on probability. Have a look.